Hi, I'm Brian Rappold, National Sales Manager for Phoenix Restoration Equipment. For over 20 years, Phoenix has been the leader in engineering and manufacturing of top-of-the-line water damage equipment for the water damage professional. Our product offerings include air movers, air scrubbers, refrigerant dehumidifiers, desiccant dehumidifiers, heating and cooling products, meters, and many, many more. We're a proud sponsor for the 2013 PLR Expo and hope to see everybody again next year. For more information on our product line, please visit www.usephoenix.com. Thank you.